Yama Zafer here with you again. I wanted to tell you about something that's important and something that we have had many queries about. Is chiropractic better for me or is physiotherapy better for me? Which one should I see? Well, personally, I believe see them both. There are certain things that a chiropractor does really well, and there are just as many things that a physiotherapist does very well. Now, if you want fastest improvements, holistic and comprehensive care, integrative methods, get care from a chiropractor and a physiotherapist during your same session. But the most important thing is the type of care that they give you must be specific to your condition. For example, if you have ligamentous issues or an instability in your joints, you have to make sure that there's no twisting or stresses on the joint, either from the physiotherapist or the chiropractor. In other words, you have to be stable, and what they do for you is specific for your condition.